Alrighty guys, YCG back with another video, and today we're gonna go hit a bike meet, but it is fucking windy. I don't know why it's so ugly. It was pretty nice earlier, but I guess now it's ugly. Yeah guys, we're gonna go meet up with the homie right now. It is windy as hell, but whatever. We're gonna go meet up with the homie and go to a bike meet. So it's a Tuesday after I got off work, so I'm pretty tired, but I guess the grind don't stop, huh? I was gonna live stream tonight, but the weather's gonna start getting bad. I'm not gonna be able to get out very much besides working. Yeah, we're gonna take the six right now, go to the homie's house. It should be pretty cool. I guess we'll see how the bike meet goes. Hopefully it should be pretty dope. Usually it turns out pretty decent, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see, we're gonna see, we're gonna see. Alright guys, we met up with the homie Trey. And we're gonna go hit bike meet right now. We were gonna head there. So yeah, just kind of tag along. Might not do a lot of talking, I don't know, but just kind of tag along, you know what I'm saying? That's just fun.
cars have almost hit the Harley already.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this thing's pretty big. Yeah, we got Trey's face right there. And had that GoPro. Yep. Wild. Hella wild. His visor's too fucking dark.
Crystal, hurry! Hurry! Stand over here. I want to be someone cool. Alright, ready? Alright, 3. We're just looking at the drum, counting down 3, 2, 1, stay low. Yeah. One more time, just in case someone blinks. Alright, and we'll put on our helmets now and do it again.
Too late now.
I was already prepared.
I was too.
I know, right? We're eating today, man. Damn it. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, cheese. One more time, 3, 2, 1, in case someone blinks. Awesome. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. That's awesome. Let me just make sure I don't crash this shit now. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna get a picture of it.
Alright, hey y'all, I'll see y'all later.
On God.
I'll see you guys later.
On God, though.
Go ride somebody else's bike later. I almost wanted to throw my keys at him. See what happens.